children, welcome back to EVS class. Please open to page number 15. We are going to read the lesson and mark the difficult spellings. Are you all ready with the textbook? Okay, page number 15, animal shelters. Why do we need houses? Very cold weather, gusty winds. Gusty winds, as I told you all, very strong winds. Scorching sun, scorching means very hot sun, burning sun. Heavy rains can cause us great discomfort. Please underline the spelling weather. W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather. Gusty, G-U-S-T-Y, gusty. Scorching. S-C-O-R-C-H-I-N-G, scorching. Heavy rains can cause us great discomfort. D-I-S-C-O-M-F-O-R-T, discomfort. We live in houses to protect ourselves from them. A house also protects us from theft. Theft means robbery. Some people live very close to forest. They have to face the threat of wild animals. A house protects them from the wild animals too. Please underline the spelling. Protects. P-R-O-T-E-C-T-S, protects. Please open to page number 16, children. Like us, do animals also need shelters? Some animals do. They build shelters for themselves. Some other animals find shelter in safe places in the environment. Please underline the word shelter. Now we shall learn the definition which is given in the yellow box. A new term, shelter. A safe place where one is protected from any danger. A place where one is protected from sun, rain, wind, etc. Please underline the word protected. P-R-O-T-E-C-T-E-D, protected. Environment. E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T, environment. Children, you are supposed to underline and then learn these spellings. Animals who build shelters for themselves. You must have seen birds' nests. Nests are shelters that birds build. Birds are afraid of animals that eat eggs, so they need a safe place to lay their eggs. Baby birds come out of the eggs. There are animals that eat these young birds. The young birds are too weak to defend themselves. Please underline the spelling defend. So that means they cannot protect themselves from the enemies. The nests keep the young ones safe. That is why birds build nests. They use things like grass, straw and twigs to build nests. Please underline the word straw and twigs. Okay. They may even use cotton, wool and piece of thread and string. This makes the nest soft and warm inside. Underline the spelling of thread and string, children. Next. But the nest of all birds are not all alike. That means they are not the same. Birds choose convenient places to build nests. Convenient means very suitable place for them. Please underline the word convenient. Next. Look at the weaver bird. It chooses a thorny tree which has some branches hanging over water. You know what is thorn means? Sharp points on the plant. The sharp point on the plant. You must have seen the rose plant. It has what? Thorns, isn't it? Okay, so the weaver bird, it chooses a thorny tree which has some branches hanging over water. Please underline the word chooses. Thorny branches animals that eat eggs find it difficult to reach this nest. Difficult. D-I-F-I-C-U-L-T. The tailor bird is smaller than a sparrow. It selects a plant with bigger leaves and builds its nest by stitching the leaves together. Please underline the word sparrow. It selects a plant with bigger leaves and builds its nest by stitching the leaves together. It uses a fine tendril to stitch them together. Underline the word tendril. This little nest is big enough for the little tailor bird. Some insects also build their own shelters. For example, honeybees build honeycombs. Please underline the word honeycombs. For example, honeybees build their honeycombs on trees or under the roof of an overhanging cliff. What is cliff? A steep rock which you find it at the edge of the sea. Underline the word overhanging cliff. Now open to page number 17. Rats and mice live underground in fields. They dig into the soil and make holes and burrows to live in. Underline the word burrows. Rats and mice also live in areas where people live. They make holes in the walls or under the floors in houses. They mostly take shelter in mud houses and not in those built with cement. Please underline the word cement. That is because they cannot dig holes into cement construction. 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 Animals that find ready shelters in their surroundings. Some animals do not make any efforts to build a shelter. Please underline the word efforts. They simply look around for a safe place. Some doves and pigeons live in forest. Some live in small hollows in high cliffs. Some live near our houses. They take shelter in gaps in walls. Tigers, leopards and hyenas live in caves. Please underline those spellings. Tigers, leopards and hyenas. They live in caves. Some type of bats live in tall trees, but some live in dark caverns in mountains. Please underline the word caverns, children. Mountains. Or they look for shelter in old, deserted, tumble-down buildings. Underline deserted. Deserted means very lonely place. Tumble-down. It is believed that a cobra lives in an anthill, but that is not true. Anthills are built by ants and not by a cobra. The cobra lives in holes. Please open to next page, page number 18. Shelters for domestic animals. When people keep animals, they build shelters for them. The shelter built for hens is called a chicken coop or hen house. Please underline that word, chicken coop. Or hen house. A cowshed is built for cows. The shelter for a horse is called stable. Underline the word cowshed and stable. Animals need what we have learned. Animals need a shelter to protect themselves from the cold, wind, sun and rain. Some animals build their own shelters. Some animals look for ready shelters in their surroundings. We build shelters for the animals we keep. Please underline the word surroundings. Always remember, is it right to keep animals in cages for our pleasure? Can we keep them cages just because we like it? For our pleasure? No. Let them live in their natural surroundings. You're going to repeat the spellings after me. W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather. Hope you will underline the spellings. You're going to write it in the rough book, children. W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather. Gusty, gusty. Scorching, scorching. Discomfort, discomfort. Thefts, theft. Protects, protect. Shelters, shelters. Protected, protected. Environment, environment. Defend, defend. Straw, straw. I showed you the picture of straw, isn't it? So birds, they use straw to build a nest, as well as this is the twigs. Yeah. Straw, straw. Twigs, twigs. Thread, thread. String, string. Convenient, convenient. Chooses, chooses. Thorny, thorny. Branches, branches. Difficult, difficult. Sparrow, sparrow. Tendril, tendril. I showed the picture of tendril, isn't it? Tendrils here. The thread-like part of the plant is called the tendril. Usually you can see the tendrils in climbers. Honeycomb, honeycomb. Overhanging, overhanging. Cliff. I showed the picture of cliff, isn't it? Cliff means what? A steep rock which you find at the edge of the sea is called cliff. See the pictures of cliff, children. See the honeycomb built under the overhanging roof, under the roof of an overhanging cliff. Hope it is clear to you all. And this is the honeycomb which is built on trees. On trees, roof of an overhanging cliff. This is the bigger picture. Hope you can see this. BURROWS, burrows. CEMENT, cement. CONSTRUCTION, construction. EFFORTS, efforts. TIGERS, tigers. LEOPARDS, leopards. HYENAS, hyenas. And these animals, they live in caves, isn't it? CAVES, caves. CAVERNS, caverns. MOUNTAINS, mountains. DESERTED, deserted. TUMBLE, tumble down. CHICKEN, chicken. COOP, coop, chicken coop. HENHOUSE, hen house. So where do the hens live? They live in chicken coop or in hen house. COWSHED, cow shed. STABLE, stable. Where do cows live? They live in cow shed. And what about horses? They live in stable. SURROUNDINGS, surroundings. Hope you all have underlined the spellings, isn't it? Okay. Now we shall have the revision of the lesson, children. We should have the revision now. Animal shelters. Now shelters means what? A safe place where we live is called a shelter. And what is a shelter where we live? The shelter where we live is called a house. And why do we need a house? Because it protects us from cold weather, heavy rains, gusty winds, scorching sun, thieves and wild animals. Why do we need a house? We need a house because it protects us from cold weather, heavy rains, gusty winds, scorching sun, thieves and wild animals. Now, do you think animals also they need shelter? Yes, some animals they need shelter. Some animals they build shelter for themselves, whereas some animals they look for a ready shelter in their environment. So, how to define the term shelter? A shelter is a safe place where one is protected from any danger. Should I have to write shelter definition? It is a safe place where one is protected from any danger. Shelter is a safe place where one is protected from any danger. It is protected from a place where one is protected from a place where one is protected from the sun, wind, rain, etc. Okay. So, how will you define shelter? A shelter is a safe place where one is protected from any danger, a place where one is protected from the sun, wind, rain, etc. And animals they need shelter because it protects them from cold weather, heavy rains, winds and sun. As I told you all, some animals they build shelters for themselves, whereas some animals they find shelter in their environment. So first we'll see the animals that build shelter for themselves. Animals that build shelters for themselves. Now which are the animals that they build shelters? Birds, they build shelters, isn't it? You must have seen the bird's nest, isn't it? Birds, they build nests. So shelters, nests are the shelters for the birds. Now before we go further, now why do they build nests? Why do they build nests? Because birds, they need a safe place to lay their eggs, and the birds, they get scared of the animals that eat these eggs. So they need a safe place to lay their eggs. And secondly, baby birds, they come out from these eggs, and there are animals that eat these young birds too, and these young birds, they are very, very weak. They cannot take care of themselves. They cannot protect themselves from the animals that eat them. So even these young birds, they need shelter. So birds, they need shelter to lay their eggs. They also need shelter for their young birds. They need a safe place for their young birds. That is why birds, they build nests. And what are the things the birds use to build the nest? I told you all, birds, they use straw, leaves or grass, and twigs to build the nest, isn't it? So, what do birds use to build the nest? Birds use straw, leaves of grass, and twigs to build the nest. And what are the things they require to keep the nest warm? They use cotton, wool, and piece of thread. This piece of thread or string to keep the nest soft and warm. That's it for now, children. We'll continue next session. Thank you so much.